Okay, these are my babies. These are my teenagers. That's a Sicilian Buttercup. That's a Buff Orpington. That black and white one is, Jonathan named her Pepperjack. Hi, babies. Hi. Isn't she pretty? She's the same as this yellow one here in front. But, you know, same group. Bought these 10 chickies. Yes, I'm going to get you food. I'm going to fix your water. Just saying hi. Hi. You guys are getting so big. You're the size of the other ones. It's time to move you. And those back there are, come here, guys. Come here. Come here, babies. Come here. They're Rhode Island Reds, which is what the rooster is. Come here, guys. Come out and... Well, you don't want to get in the shit. Hi, girls. Hi, my girls. Hi, Pepperjack. Yes, you're so beautiful. Okay, Jack. Doing your job again? Just taking care of the chicks, and there's Hector again, back there. His name is actually Hector Barbosa because he's got one leg that's good. So that's a little rugged. Yes, you're the tough guy, aren't you? You're the grandpa. You're the grandpa. Yes. Here's the ladies. Hi, ladies. This is Henrietta. She looks like she's got a little hat on her head. That's why we call her Henrietta. She's mama to a bunch of babies around here. Surrogate mama. Yes. And Jack. Beautiful Jack. Hi, Jack. How are you doing? Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. You guys want me to turn the water on, don't you? Yes. They like it when I turn on the water. Let all the hot out of the hose. Hold on, it's still hot. It's still hot here. It's still pretty hot. It's gotta go all through the hose. Here it's cooling down. Here it's cooling down. Yeah. Get a drink of water, huh? Like to play in the water, don't you guys? Sorry, I'm not trying to get you wet. Yeah. Yeah. Hector. Poor baby. What's up, Jackie? Telling them what to do? Let's go see if our favorite chicken's in here. Let's see. There she is! Hi! We gotta think up a name for this one. Huh? Hi! I love you! I know! I know! Oh. I'm not gonna rob your eggs yet. Oh! You wanna hurt me? No? I just like to make a lot of noise. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. This is going to be the mom of... Hi there. You're looking at me. You're looking at me. Are you a good girl? It's the only time you can really pet them. It's when they're here. Oh, you're going to bite me. Yeah. Looky here. Look what I see. Oh. Oh. Okay, you got 3. I'm going to be back. I'm not ready to do it just yet. Hi. This pretty girl. Oh, the babies are in their cage over there through the... Let me out. Okay. Good day. I'll see you later.